adventurous, you know? Are you recording?
I am. It's Pitt's Special, the coaster named after a 1970s, 1980s acrobatic airplane.
Nice.
So kind of
that's
appropriate.
Right up your alley.
Yeah. So Junker is named after an airplane. Pitt Special is named after an airplane. I like
And
it.
I saw airplanes all around outside.
Yes, there's some.
Oh, this feels so good.
Yeah, I like this.
I love this. Is the only thing I like about the Rip Ride Rocket is the
lift.
hill.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels so good on my back. It like stretches your back. All right.
Speaking of airplanes, there's one right there. I like that.
I like these cars.
Yeah.
They're the little cars. Oh yeah.
Compared to the one yesterday where you couldn't walk through, now you've got lots of room. And... Nice.
So, any Premier rides are going to be. Premier is the worst cars, but their rides are good as the cars that suck. Maybe I should tell them again.
Very.
Just the jets. Oh yeah, I see the theming on the front.
I want to know what those are.